today is gonna be pretty busy, so I am heading over to Chase right now so we can swap cars and go to school. After school, I'm going over to the scrap metal place to get rid of some old Civic parts that's still in the shed, and maybe somewhere in between there's gonna be a little bit of fun. So I don't know. I'm gonna go get gas first. So yeah. So I just made it to Chase's house. We're now gonna switch over from the Saturn into that Ram right there. It's actually a fun beast. It does mean peels, and hopefully we can do some of that right now before we go to school. We did it yesterday, so I want to actually try and get it on camera this time. So this is gonna be fun. Look at that V8 power. Woo, that shit though. What the fuck? Oh shit! Chase just hit a tree and that happened, and the windows are not.
It's not that bad.
The windows are not automatic. This one's gonna be scary. Oh! Oh shit! Oh. I don't know how they can't pick that up. That was fucking awesome. I want it. Finally out of school, about to go do some stupid shit. We don't know what yet, but it's gonna be fun. That Mopar though looks sexy. Oh, shit, is that a Stingray? What is that thing? Oh, it's a Stingray.
That is sexy as fuck.
Oh shit.
Fucking slow down, cunt.
No, stop. What do you
Slow down!
What the fuck, Chase? I don't want to die. No, don't do you even know him?
No.
What the fuck are you trying to kill us for? It's a 45-mile-an-hour road. Oh, ow! Fucking son of a bitch. How close do you want to fucking get? Just arrived at Devin's house, and I'm gonna go into the backyard into the shed to get all the Civic parts along with a bike frame that's in the garage. All the damn Civic parts are in here. I have to take all of these exhaust shit out. It's cold and heavy and the headers. And here we go. Next up, scrap metal place. Metal room. Alright guys, so I just stopped by the metal place. Already got all the stuff dropped off and actually made a pretty decent amount off of all the exhaust and the bike frame. That wraps up today, and I'll see you guys on next episode.